everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nautica and today we're going to get into my brow routine. I'm going to show you guys how I get these natural but defined brows. So I'm going to start off by going in with the Ebin hold spray and a spoolie, and I like to use this to hold my brows in place once I start to fill them in. It just helps with that natural look, as well as being able to see my natural brow shape, which makes it easier for me to fill them in. So once I spray the spoolie, I like to comb my brows up and over and make sure that the spray is evenly distributed through all of the hairs. And this just helps with the natural look and the definition of the brow. Now I'm going in with the large angled brush, and today to fill in my brows I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills DIPBROW in the color medium brown. I'm just going to add that onto my brush, and I'm going to wipe off any excess so I won't have too much on my brush once I go in and fill in my brows. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to focus on filling right underneath my brow, as well as any areas where I need a little bit more thickness. So as you can see, right where that wing is on his brow, you can use any brow product that you want to fill in your brows. So if you want to use an eyebrow pencil, that's perfectly fine. The same techniques apply. I'm using short strokes just to make sure I don't overfill in any areas. Now I'm going to go in with my Nars concealer. I'll make sure I'll post the color in the description. I like to take the concealer and put it on my wrist because I like to use it warm. For some reason, I feel like if it's warmed up, it applies easier. It's not as thick, and it just glides on easy. So now I'm going in with this smaller angled brush, and I'm just going to go ahead underneath that brow where I filled in, and I'm going to shape my brow. So now, since I'm done creating that shape with the concealer underneath my brow, I'm just going to go in and blend it in a little bit, and then I'm going to start filling the top of my brow. Now, this is the key part to creating a natural brow look, is I'm not filling it in that much. So I'm taking all of the excess dip brow that was on the brush before, and I'm just filling it in the top of that brow so that it can be even. And I'm going to go in with my spoolie, and I'm going to take light short strokes to the front of my brow so I can create somewhat of an ombre effect. Now I'm going to go in with a small angle brush, and I'm going to take that concealer and I'm going to shape the top of my brow just like I did at the bottom. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer brush, and I'm going to use small taps to blend that concealer around my eyebrow. You want to make sure that you're taking your time with this part because you don't want to mess with the definition that you created with the concealer. final step, once all of your concealer is blended in, you're going to go ahead and take that spoolie again, and you're just going to do light short strokes through the front of the brow so that you won't have that super harsh line in the front, and that is what helps make the brows look natural. So now I'm going to go ahead and start on the left brow. One thing that really helped me achieve a beautiful natural brow is knowing my natural brow shape and really leaning into that as a guide, as well as experimenting. I mean, I love a good Instagram brow, a good defined thick brow, but I also love something natural as well. So just experimenting and being able to take the two techniques and blend it into one and tailoring it to my liking so that I can get a brow that helps shape my face for the rest of my look. The brows are finished. Brows are definitely the foundation to having beautiful makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys